Good morning and welcome to Ewetopia Farms on what looks like is going to be a really nice day today. Started off cloudy and dreary, but right now the sun's popping out and it's feeling warm, so we'll take it. Let's go inside and have a look at what's happening in here today. So today Arnie is going to finish off getting the manure out of this barn. But that means we got to move these guys out of the way. So we're going to try move these guys around. I don't know where Arnie wants to put them just yet. Took a little work to actually get them out of the barn, because when they're used to something like being in a barn and they see a big pasture with grass on it and open space, they're not too sure about that. So we had to force them all out, and they've all come and clustered by the gate because they want to go back in. But they'll stay out here until Arnie's finished cleaning the manure out, and then they're gonna get separated into the boys and girls. Come on, you guys, you might want to go play. Look, there's stuff out here. Oh, and this is number 3. I checked to see who number 3 was, and it turns out he's from my gladiator. Hey, you're glad your dad. Glad your dad. Yes, he is. No wonder you're so nice. Come on, you guys. Come on. Come on. Hey guys, what are you guys doing out here? Such dark days. As they calm down, they'll hopefully go wander around the fields and have a nice day. Come on over. Kevin, where are you? Kevin! Come on, Kevy! Come here, Kevin. Show them how not to be afraid. Oh, Kevin, good boy. You are a keeper. You are a keeper. You are. You are. Are you smarter than all the rest? You are. You're smarter than all the rest. Look at them, acting like sheep back there. Not moving up. Taking the challenge. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Get them over there. We had to scare them. Not him. He stayed with me. Hey, Kev. You stayed here. You think you're a human. You think you're a human, I know. And you're pretty close. Maybe a little better than a human. Better, I think. The gate's not open, but somebody ran back there, and now they figure they gotta go cluster by the gate again. No, you guys, don't cluster by the gate. See? We give them the opportunity to run and play outside, and they want to go in. Kids these days, you can't get them to go outside and play. pastured by the gate. Come on, you guys. You really don't need to be by the gate. It's closed. It's closed. Go play. Go play. Come on. Go play. Go play. Learn about the outdoors. Pretty soon you'll be fighting to go outdoors. Okay, they're all out in the field now. So now you can see they've wandered to the fence line back there. So they're starting to explore. Oh, and look who's joined them. It's Buddy. So I'll have a walk around them. Hopefully this doesn't scare them all back to the barn. But the tree seems to be the gathering point. Hi, you guys. Oh, they've discovered Buddy. They don't know him. The rams know Buddy, but the lambs don't. Oh, Buddy. Are you being mobbed, honey? Yeah, you stay with me. You're being a bit mobbed. He's trying to make friends with them and rub against them. You guys, be nice to the pussycat. Okay, you can only push a cat so much. And the reason he's rolling over, that's a submissive gesture, and that's him trying to say, I'm nice. He's had enough of that. Katie, come here. Now they're starting to see that it's a fun thing. So this afternoon we're going to set up breeding groups. So I'll show you what we do. It's nothing exciting. We're going to use 3 rams, and the first ram we're looking for is Gimli's group. So we have all the sheep here. They're going to go through the chute. We're going to scan them to see if they're related to Gimli, because we're doing Gimli's group first. If they're not related to Gimli, they're going to go out, and we're trying to give them a group of 23 to 24 ewes. These are Suffolk ewes that had problems with their lambs this year. Lost their lambs for one reason or another. So it wasn't their fault. So they got sheared and they're all staying here. They're going back into the open group. They had been in with the Dorsets just till now, but now they're going to join the dry ewes, and they'll be rebred again in the fall.
Look at that.
Okay, so now we're going to trim the rams for the breeding groups, because the rams haven't been done for a while, since last fall, and their hooves need a good trim, and the rams are really hard to flip over, and Dorset rams don't want to stay still, so they curl around a lot.
Now, what's a little tight on you? Ah! Okay.
So this is Fargo.
Got a good set on him.
He's got a group. He's always one of our fall breeders. He's a nice ram that we got from Saskatchewan. Now it's Gimli's turn. Gimli's a really good ram, but he's quite related to our sheep, so he got a lot of grades, unfortunately, because pretty well all of our Dorset ewes have his bloodline in the background, because he did so well with it for us. But he got a whole group, so that's good. He's
Back feet, buddy.
Oh, Gammy.
Oh.
Poor Gammy. It's gotta hurt him for sure, because that's concrete.
Just relax. Just relax.
His hooves aren't as bad, so
He must have been trimmed before.
he must have been trimmed in the summer, because he wasn't in the breeding group. So you cut up the edge so that it's flush with that little soft part of the hoof.
Almost done, buddy. Don't want to go too far.
You can't
want to leave a little bit.
let him go.
Why?
Because you don't want him to mix with those two rams. You're going to put him in his breeding group.
You can't see it. See the little brown hooves? They're not pointed. They're round. Good bone. Nice round like a ball. See? Really good bone on them.
They're nice, flat, wide hooves instead of long and narrow.
See, long and narrow. See, round like a ball. Okay?
He's sniffing to see if anybody's in heat. He's flirting, giving little kisses. Thinks that'll win him over. So each of these rams, Gaston and Gimli have 24 ewes and Fargo got 23. These will be the fall lambers. So this is Gimli's breeding group. And Gimli got the 3 crosses, including Chewy. And the other 2. It's Gimli. This is Fargo's group, and this is Fargo right here. Nobody looks too interested in them. Early times. This is out of season breeding. We've had very good success with this in the past, with about like a 95% catch on our out of season breeders, maybe even 100%. I don't remember any open ones in the fall group. No cedars. And over here, this girl, she's got a lump on the side of her throat. It's not on her neck, it's on her jaw. I think she's got an abscess like on her tooth. It's not like a caseous lump or anything like that. We checked it out. And where's Gaston? He's in, oh, there he is. Gaston is quite intent on the ladies. He's checking them all out back there. There he is. That's the romantic look they have. They squat like that when a ram's around. That's how the ram will get their scent, to see if they're cycling. And if she is cycling, she would just stand there. See, I told you, he curls his lip up to funnel that scent into his nose. Isn't that attractive? But she wasn't cycling, so because he's not going after her, he's going to try to get another one. The ewe beside him's peeing, but I don't think he noticed that. There, now he's noticing. This is the mating dance when they're trying to win the ewes over. And I see Gaston is very intent on his draw. Fargo's being pretty laid back considering he just came in with some girls. Oh, there we go. He's having a look at this girl, and you see, she's squatting down. She's letting him see. She's not cycling. He moved on. So we got the manure cleaned out for the lambs, and we're gonna have them all separated into the boys and girls. I'll show you how that turned out tomorrow. And then this afternoon we finished off with making breeding groups. So we got 3 Dorset breeding groups, which we expect to be having lambs this fall. So that's it for today. I hope you join us again tomorrow for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.